So what you just watched, that entire short film, was made using just two AI tools. GPT Image 2, which is currently one of the most powerful AI image generators in the world, and Seedance 2.0, which is hands down one of the best AI video generators available right now. And here's the best part. Both of these tools are now available in one place, a platform called Sjinn AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this short film, completely using AI, step by step, from scratch. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do the exact same thing. So let's get into it. Now before we dive into the tutorial, let me quickly tell you what these two tools can actually do. Because once you understand their capabilities, you'll realize just how powerful this workflow really is. GPT Image 2 is OpenAI's latest image generation model, and it is genuinely on another level. It can generate incredibly detailed, photorealistic images from just a text description. We're talking cinematic lighting, realistic textures, complex character designs, detailed environments, all from a single prompt. What makes it special for filmmaking is its ability to maintain visual consistency. You can generate a character from multiple angles, front, side, back, and it keeps the same look, the same costume, the same face. That's huge when you're building a short film because consistency is everything. It also handles complex compositions really well, like pre-production design boards, storyboard panels, environment concept art, exactly the kind of stuff you'd see in a real film production pipeline. Now, Seedance 2.0 is ByteDance's latest AI video generation model, and it is absolutely incredible. It can take a text prompt or a reference image and turn it into a smooth cinematic video clip. The motion quality is really impressive. You get natural camera movements, realistic physics, smooth character motion, and cinematic atmosphere. And when you combine GPT Image 2's visual design with Seedance 2.0's motion, that's where the magic happens. Alright, so let me show you how to access both of these tools on Sjinn. Go to sjinn.ai and log in or create a free account. I will put the link in the description. Once you're in, you'll see the main workspace. Now there are three modes: Agent mode, Tool mode, and Canvas mode. For this tutorial, we're going to use Tool mode because it gives us direct access to specific AI models. Here in the Tool mode, you will find all the image, video, lip sync, audio, and other tools. The GPT Image 2 is inside the image generator, and Seedance 2.0 is inside the video generator tab. Simple as that. Both tools. One platform. No switching between tabs. Now let's actually start making the film. Every great film starts with a great script, and we're going to use Google Gemini to write ours. I already generated a story using Gemini, and then also generated the character and environment prompt. It's so simple, just ask for the script with your idea and Gemini will generate the script. After that, you can generate the character and environment prompt. Okay, our script is ready. Now I will generate the storyboard prompt, and to do that, I will use Google AI Studio. Once you are on the Google AI Studio interface, come to the system instruction. Here, I will add the brain of the Gemini so that it can generate prompts for the storyboard. You will find the prompt in the description. Just copy and paste here. Once the system instruction is ready, copy the script and paste it here in the text box, and hit the send button. And here it is, the prompts are ready. Once all the scene prompts are ready, we will create the video prompt. So, I am opening a new tab for Google AI Studio. Now, in the system instruction box, enter the video prompt guide from the description, and once done, copy the script and paste it into the text box. After that, copy the pre-production design prompts here in this box. Once done, hit the send button. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. Now, it's time to generate the images and videos. So, come to the Sjinn and select the GPT Image 2 from the Image Generator tab. First, we will create characters and element images. I will enter the first character prompt from Gemini and enter here. After that, set the aspect ratio and hit the Generate button. And here it is. The character image is ready. Now, in this method, create all other characters and element images. Once they are ready, download all of them. Now, come to Google AI Studio. Copy the first scene pre-production image prompt. Paste it into the Sjinn GPT image prompt box. Now, we have to add the character reference. In the first scene, we only have one character. I am uploading the character image. Now set the aspect ratio and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The image is ready, and you can see the result. This is a perfect pre-production design. We have the character design, color palette, environment setup, the set floor plan, a professional storyboard with camera work, lens, and duration, the style and mood settings. If this were a traditional manual film shoot, it would require a huge team and more than a week, and we just made it within a few minutes using GPT Image 2. That's why I tell GPT Image 2 is now the world's best AI image generator. Okay, now in the same method, we have to create all the pre-production image design. Alright, all the images are ready. Now it's time to generate the video. To generate the video, I will select the Seedance 2.0 from the Video Generation tab. Now we have to upload the first pre-production image. You can upload reference video and audio also. We don't need it. Now copy the first scene video generation prompt and paste it here. Now, select the aspect ratio, duration, mode, and resolution. Once done, hit the generate button, and here you can see the result. This is really amazing. The character is consistent. The camera work is according to the plan. The motion is perfect. The light and mood is set from the design. It's a perfect video clip for our short film. So now we can create any kind of videos in this method. Now, in the same method, create all other video clips. Alright, once all the video clips are ready, download them and then stitch them with a video editor. And here it is. The video is ready. A complete cinematic AI short film, made entirely with GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, from script to screen. No camera, no crew, no budget, just a clear workflow, the right tools, and a creative vision. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely hope this tutorial opened your eyes to what's possible with AI filmmaking right now. So, here's what I want you to do right now. First, go to Sjinn.ai and try GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 for yourself. The link is in the description. Second, if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.